Okay guys, welcome to Sammytex graphic design course. Okay, today we're going to talk about logo design, everything you need to know about logo design. I'm going to show you guys in this video, so please don't skip any parts, watch till the end so that you understand fully. Okay, we're going to talk about the basic points in logo design. First of all, like when they say logo, what is logo actually? What is logo? So, logo is an identifying symbol, okay, as seen in media formats such as print, television, business cards, etc. Logo represents the identity of an organization, product, brand, or idea. Something like Sammytex, this is my logo. Something like Percy Empire, this is her logo. So that's how we used to identify organization, to know what's your organization all about, what are you doing, like your slogans and all this stuff. It's just like the means of identifying organizations, company, business, a lot. Okay guys, we have golden rules of logo design. Okay, a logo should clearly represent an organization's identity. Number one, say keep it simple. What they mean by keeping it simple, okay, keeping it simple is just like going straight to the point to design a logo, something like Apple. So the evolution of the Apple, everything sounds nice. You already know that this is an Apple company. It shows everything you need to know about. It shows directly what is the organization all about. Number two, logo should be effective at large and small scale. So what do you mean by logo should be effective at large and small scale? There are some logo you design, in a small scale, and you can't even identify what's the name of the company or what it's all about. And there are some that is very large, something like this. Okay, if you see this logo, you know that the large one is more more representative. Okay, the large one is more effective than the smallest one. Okay, so that's how they used to, you need to be smart and you need to design a logo very perfect. Number three, logo should be effective in color and black and white. Okay, what do you mean by color? You all know colors and you all know what is black and white. In this image, you all will understand how black and white logo looks like and how the color looks like. Okay, you can see that the color one is more nice than the black and white, but there are some logo that you need to design in black and white for it to be very perfect and okay. Next on our list is logo can be descriptive, can be symbolic. What do you mean by descriptive? What do you think this organization specialized in? Why? So that's what you're supposed to be asking yourself in terms of designing. Here we have Center of Architecture. The Center of Architecture is an organization devoted to the public education and the research of architecture. Okay, the key is a symbol for access, and the skyline represents architecture. So can you just see like everything here represent that this company is all about designing, it's all about like graphics. Think we still have some logo that are descriptive, something like this. Okay, you all know that what is this company all about. You all know it shows everything. That's how you used to know. You like to design logo which people can identify your company and what you're doing. Number two, logo should be symbolic. Okay, something like Apple logo. Why do you think Apple really chose this logo? Although this logo does not literally represent computers or technology, the apple is a symbol of knowledge. The bits, okay, taken out of the apple could symbolize you taking a bit out of knowledge. This is President Obama's campaign logo. Okay, it symbolizes hope for most Americans. The sun rising over the horizon evokes a new sense of optimizing for the country's future. So you see, like it shows what is like his aim. Obama's logo shows everything, based on the sun rising over. It indicates there, but you need to although you need to be a graphic designer to know all those things. So that's what I'm showing you in this video. Okay guys, in our next class we're going to talk about font and color. Okay, font and color, how to get the right font and the right color in your design. So please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, click the notification button so that you'll be notified when I drop a new video. I would like to see you in the next class. If you really want to know the full course about graphic design, you want to learn graphic design with your smartphone, don't miss the next class. Thanks for watching my video.